In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best personal blenders in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these personal blenders, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach 51103. The Hamilton Beach 51103 is extremely affordable, personal blender that has been around for quite long, but even today, it is still an attractive option and dozens of users are continuously purchasing it, which definitely has to mean something. This model has a compact, all-black finished body that is accompanied by a blending cup with embedded measuring lines positioned on its front, while on its lower body, you can notice a large pulse button, a cord recess of which you can take an advantage in order to wrap the cord around the base, as well as feet that will keep this unit stable while performing. For your information, this unit has a 14-ounce blending jar, which at the same time, serves as a travel cup, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. Moving on, the Hamilton Beach 51103 is also armed with durable stainless steel blades which in practice, will ensure quick and effective blending, so you can make delicious shakes, icy drinks, and fruit smoothies without any problem. In addition, this device comes with a recipe book as well, so you will never feel restricted in terms of use. However, the only disadvantage this unit has, is the lack of more settings, since you will be obliged only to use the pulse option, but, considering its price tag, this is quite normal, so personally, I don't consider it as a remark. According to those who've purchased this product, the Hamilton Beach 51103 is exceptionally easy to store and clean, and it produces a bearable noise, so for the price you pay, I think that you will be more than satisfied with having such a product. Before we end, I would also like to inform you that this unit has a BPA-free jar, which is something that I particularly favor, due to the fact that the drinks you create will not be harmful to your health, so when we combine all these things together, without a doubt, I can say that Hamilton Beach has once again done a great job here. Overall, if you're looking for an inexpensive, yet quality personal blender, then this is the one for you. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nutri Ninja BL482. The Nutri Ninja BL482 is a 1000-watt personal blender that would be a really good option for everyone who is looking for a reliable blender without spending hundreds of dollars, so let's find out what's so special about it. The BL482 features an attractive, chrome and dark gray finished construction that is composed of a control panel positioned with pre-programmed buttons and an LCD display on the front of the base, but the manufacturer has also included 3 sizes of Ninja cup, starting from 18 ounces, 24 ounces, 32 ounces, so you can use each of them depending on your requirements. For your information, this unit has 4 settings of which you can take an advantage, such as the blend, pulse, ultra blend and the multi-functional start and stop button, and when we add the presence of the integrated Pro extractor blades, it means that you will never face any difficulties in terms of use. According to those who've already purchased this product, the blending process is actually really smooth, due to the fact that the blades are strong enough to chop off whole foods, seeds and even ice, while extracting the vitamins, so the final result will be you drinking healthy and tasty drinks. Another great thing about this unit is that it packs BPA-free components, which by default means that your health won't be affected negatively, while on the other side, the Nutri Ninja BL482 is dishwasher safe as well, so won't have any difficulties when it is time for cleaning. Since I've mentioned the cleaning, I would like to advise you to clean this blender instantly after you're done making smoothies, because if the ingredients dry, you may encounter some difficulties. Finally, the only complaint users had regarding the Nutri Ninja's performance was the noise, but it is just a personal experience, so once you get this product, you will see whether you will like it or not, but either way, this doesn't mean that we are talking about a poor performer. To conclude, I strongly recommend you consider this product because it is affordable, and offers a great value for its price tag. Next up, at number 3, we have the Kasoori C700 Pro. The Kasoori C700 Pro is a multipurpose personal blender that is among the most purchased products in its category, mainly because of its ability to output a consistent, and truly impressive performance that can without a doubt, satisfy even the most demanding customers on the market. The C700 Pro sports a sleek, BPA-free construction that consists of a commercial, grade 2 HP motor, stainless steel, razor-sharp blade assembly, a container of 70 ounces, and a personal travel bottle of 27 ounces of which you can take an advantage if you are in hurry. At the lower bottom of the base, you can notice the presence of two switches that are flanked by a switch dial positioned on the center, so let's briefly explain their purposes. The switch on the left will let you choose the soup or the pulse function, the dial will let you adjust the performance, while the switch on the right will be there for turning the device on or off, so as you can see, the C700 Pro is extremely easy to use. Performance-wise, this blender can cut through virtually everything you store, starting from veggies, fruits, nuts, and ice, which is really due to the fact that you can experiment with different recipes. For instance, except for creating smoothies, you can use it as a food processor, coffee grinder, ice crushed, whole food juicer and more, so you will never feel restricted in terms of use. Another great thing about this device is its integrated motor that can output up to 30,000 rotations per minute, which by default means that everything you want to prepare will be done within a very short period of time. Moreover, the C700 Pro employs an automatic overload and overheat protection as well, meaning that this blender is extremely safe to use, so you shouldn't stress yourself literally about anything. Last but not least, this unit is also extremely easy to clean, due to the fact that it is dishwasher safe, and is shipped with a cleaning brush which will drastically ease your cleaning sessions for your ultimate user experience. Overall, the Kasoori C700 Pro is a must-have option, especially if you want to invest in a versatile, personal blender that will never disappoint you with its performance. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Vitamix S50. The Vitamix S50 would be an ideal option for everyone who is looking for a high-end personal blender that combines a powerful performance, with a durable, dishwasher-safe construction which will ensure that you will have an exceptionally convenient user experience. The S50 boasts a matte black body, with an integrated dial switch positioned at the front on the base, but you can also notice the presence of two containers, with a capacity of 20 and 40 ounces respectively, so let's explain their roles. First of all, the 20-ounce container can serve as a travel cup at the same time because it is ideal for blending single servings, while the other, 40-ounce container will suit you good especially if you want to create sauces, soups and a variety of small meals. But what both of them have in common is that they are BPA-free, and this by default means that they will never do harm to your health. Moving on, this unit comes with an interchangeable blade base that is armed with stainless steel blades which will effectively chop the ingredients that you plan to store on one side, while on the other, you will receive the proper amount of nutrients that will keep your energy to the highest levels throughout your day. I would also like to add this device has two pre-programmed settings for smoothies and power blend, plus a pulse feature, so you can use each of them depending on what you want to achieve in a particular moment. For example, the smoothies and pulse feature are self-explanatory, so I will deliver information only for the power blend, which is at the same time, the highest speed setting, and its purpose is to provide strong blending performance on the 20-ounce container. Finally, thanks to its safety interlocking system, this device performs safely, due to the fact that this system will automatically shut off the blender if the container is lifted from the base, so you shouldn't worry literally about anything. To conclude, the Vitamix S50 is worthy of considering, so give it a try and assure yourself of its quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the NutriBullet Pro. The NutriBullet Pro is one of the best, if not the best personal blender that you can find on the market, due to the fact that it houses a powerful motor, razor-sharp blades and comes with 13 accessories with the intention to maximize its effectiveness as you've never probably witnessed before. For your information, the 13 accessories include 2 cups with a capacity of 32 ounces, 2 flip-top lids, 2 comfort lip rings, a pocket nutritionist, single emulsifying blade, a power base, a user manual, and a hardcover recipe book, so from the moment you take it out of its box, you will be equipped with everything needed. Moving on, the NutriBullet Pro is powered by 900-watt motor, which according to the users, outputs a consistent performance, and when we pair this with its stainless steel blades, it means that everything, starting from fruits, vegetables, seeds, and ice, will be pulverized properly so you will enjoy the benefits of drinking highly nutritious protein shakes that will drastically enhance your health status. Moreover, most of the users also claimed that they didn't have any problems in terms of use, since all it takes is to simply store the ingredients you want, then twist on the blade, and that's it, the blending process will start immediately. But that's not all. This unit is also highly effective when it comes to preparing almond butter, and it can even make whipped cream that is nicely textured as well. In addition, I'd advise you take an advantage of the included Pocket Nutritionist as well, since it has around 700 smoothie recipes, so you can always experiment and try new stuff because the NutriBullet Pro can do virtually everything that you can think of. When it comes to the cleaning, well, keep in mind that the base is supposed to be wiped down with a warm damp cloth in order to maintain its original build quality for many years, while the included accessories can be thrown into a dishwasher without any problem, so basically, you will never face hard times cleaning the device. Overall, I'd recommend you seriously consider the NutriBullet Pro, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will unlikely be disappointed. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these personal blenders, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.